You can see the difference between something that's made with love and care and something that's just made. Creativity is it's a fire, it's a drive inside you, right? And if you don't find some way to channel that, it can become quite destructive. Hi, I'm Matt Kenney, and I'm a professional box maker and furniture maker. I look at woodworking as an expression of my humanity and expression of my creativity. I just start with one thing and I draw it, and then I ask myself, how can I change it in one way? Design is an evolution. It's never a revolution. What really matters is the creative act, and that tools, especially good tools, become a really fantastic way to allow you to be creative.